10 theories that will keep you up at night in it, Famalam. I'm with Codic and I'm with Vortex Genysis, and we're going to be reacting to the theories in it of the universe, space, and that. So yeah,
I didn't want to sleep tonight, so this video comes in handy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, sleep.
It's time to get a blown up brain. All right, you ready?
I'm actually very excited for this. I want to know what kind of theories are out there.
I haven't seen it. I know a lot though. Know about the gay theory.
Oh yes.
Yes.
The universe gay theory. Can you explain that one real quick? You have 10 seconds.
Okay,
10
so
seconds.
basically, it's when you have a stick up your ass, but it's hot and warm and filled with blood.
It's just that's the theory. That's the theory.
Yeah.
It hasn't been proven yet.
It hasn't been proven.
Do you want to volunteer, Jack?
All right, let's go. Hear it?
Oh, subscribe there, yeah, at the bottom.
Oh.
Space is extremely intriguing, and some theories of the things that happen there make us wonder more about it every day.
Sun.
Does it?
You think the sun's hot?
Every day.
What was there before the Big Bang?
Space.
We all know that things came to be after the Big Bang.
But
what was there before the Big Bang? It's believed that there was an initial singularity before anything else. This is a gravitational singularity predicted by general relativity to have existed before the Big Bang and thought to have contained all the energy and space-time of the universe.
Damn.
The initial singularity possessed seemingly infinite density, thought to have contained all of the mass and space-time of the universe before quantum fluctuations caused it to rapidly expand in the Big Bang and subsequent inflation, creating the present-day universe.
I'm kind of confused.
Number 9.
Yeah,
what theory I fall into a space universe.
That looks like sperm.
Hang on. I didn't understand.
That's what you took away from it.
Hang on a second. I didn't understand that theory. Can you explain, Codic?
It's just, it's not true. That's all I got from it.
They said it's just a bunch of basically matter shit. I don't know, condensed.
I don't know. It's
present-day universe.
There's simply no way you could know.
Number
9.
Space is just a bunch of big words.
Black hole.
Black
holes being one of the most intriguing astronomical objects in the universe.
People think it's a
It's no surprise that some people have wondered countless times what would happen if you fell into one. To fully appreciate what's a black hole, we need to first understand the properties of one. A black hole is a place where gravity is so strong that nothing else can escape.
I confirm it.
Black holes are named
I reckon you just get
they
pulled
can't
apart.
reflect nor emit light, and they're only visible when they're feeding on other stars or gas clouds that come too close to their event horizons, their main boundary. Beyond the event horizon lies a truly minuscule point called a singularity, where gravity is so intense that it infinitely curves space-time itself. This is where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down.
Isn't that where people think you can time travel with them, right?
No, that's the wormy. That's the one where it just like manipulates physics.
No, with like singularities and stuff.
Oh yeah, probably. I mean, black holes are proven.
Yeah, isn't it Einstein or is it? I don't know.
No,
like we just show our stupidness.
They got a picture of one.
Closer to this strange spot, you'd be stretched in some directions and squished
in others. Gravity in it.
A process that scientists call spaghettification.
Bro, you literally come at
spaghetti.
Mom spaghetti.
Direction. If you jumped into the black hole feet first, the gravitational force on your toes would be much stronger than that pulling on your head. Meanwhile, if you were to plunge into a supermassive black hole, things would be considerably less
scary. Imagine how scary that is.
While it might still result in a horrible death, you might make it all the way through the event horizon and manage to start falling inside the singularity while you're still alive. You'll die either way, but at least things here will be a little less painful. Number 8.
You fall in the black hole.
Become like Venus.
You turn into spaghetti.
Both Earth and Venus are very similar planets.
You guys
they have very similar size, mass, and composition. Though their main difference is that Earth sustains life, and Venus is essentially a galactic wasteland because it's mostly composed of carbon dioxide. However, climate change isn't the only thing that might affect Earth becoming like Venus.
Solar flares.
As the sun becomes 10% hotter around 1 billion years from now, the surface temperature of Earth will reach 47 degrees Celsius, prompting the temperature of Earth to increase rapidly and its oceans to boil away. Hotter around 1 billion years from now, the surface temperature of Earth will reach 47 degrees Celsius, prompting the temperature of Earth to increase rapidly.
Isn't that what we literally had last
summer? Boil away
like
until
a few weeks ago?
38 and 40.
A greenhouse planet
in England.
No, but to be fair, Dubai was 47.
Is almost entirely
but they're used to it.
The water
exactly. So it's
atmospheric pressure
but the water
at the
would dry
surface
up.
90 times that of Earth. That's the equivalent
Try to
pressure
save
of a
on Mars.
mile beneath our ocean waves. It's so thick that you almost have to swim through it just to move around. And on top of this are clouds that are literally made of sulfuric acid.
I confirm that.
Number
Drink it.
7, white holes.
Wormholes,
We all
ain't
know
they?
about the
White
existence of
holes,
black
yeah,
holes. Did you know
representation.
that they're distant
Representation, no
white
racism
holes
here.
also exist? And if you think black holes are weird, white holes will
White hole.
literally blow you away.
Oh, they blow
Instead
you.
of absorbing matter, white holes spew it
So it's
out.
negative.
To a spaceship crew watching from afar, a white hole looks exactly like a black hole. It has mass, it might spin. A ring of dust and gas could gather around the event horizon.
And that's me.
But instead of absorbing things, they're belching matter out. Physicists describe a white hole as
it's
a
like a
black
magnet.
hole's time reversal. A video of a black hole played backwards, much as a bouncing ball, is the time reversal of a
Imagine
bowling
all
ball.
of this.
While
Imagine
a
if it's
black
just
hole's
actually
event horizon
hyperspace
is a
lanes.
sphere of no
How cool
return.
would that be?
A white hole's event
Oh, yeah,
horizon
the other
is
side's
a
just the
boundary
white
of
one.
no admission. Space-time's most exclusive club.
What
Number
is this
6.
frame?
Big
No,
Rim.
no, no.
All
So the
good
black
things
hole,
must
the
come
black
to an
hole
end,
is the
and it
entrance to
seems
the
like
teleporter. The
universe
white
is one of these.
I've
Yeah,
heard
white
about the
hole
big
is the
rip.
Established by the
exit.
Big
I've heard
Rip,
about the Big
in which
Rip.
scientists have theorized that the
haven't.
universe could end up expanding
That's
so
when
much
Tyree
that it
sends
will
up,
eventually rip itself to pieces.
Like
Shit in your
the
asshole.
universe
Solar systems,
rip.
planets, asteroid belts, and even whole galaxies will be torn apart. Of course, that's something that will happen several million years from now, so it's not like we're going to be here when it
Million?
does.
Oh, that's pretty
But
close
when
then.
it does, you can bet that things will not be pretty for humans.
Yo, we're gonna evaporate.
Number 5, the Drake
Just-
equation. The
What?
Drake
Drake,
equation is a
yo,
formula
I'm
that's been
like,
used to
what?
estimate the number
I
of
know what
active extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy.
Hold a Drake.
How many alien societies exist?
That's a
and
bit
are
racist
detectable?
saying that that's what
This
aliens
famous
look
formula
like.
Easy, a lot
gives
of
us
them.
an idea.
There's no way
The
we're
Drake
alone.
equation,
Yeah,
which was the agenda for a
the
meeting of
universe is
experts held
infinite.
in West Virginia
No
in
way,
So there's infinite
1961,
possibilities.
estimates N, the number of transmitting societies in the Milky Way galaxy. The terms are defined as follows. N,
Yes,
the
we
number of
get that.
civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy whose electromagnetic emissions are detectable. R, the rate of formation of stars suitable for the development of intelligent life, number per year. F sub P, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems.
Nice,
N
nice.
sub E, the number of planets per solar system with an environment suitable for life. F sub L,
Yes.
the fraction of suitable planets on which life actually appears.
Yes.
F sub I, the fraction of life-bearing planets on which intelligent life emerges.
Mm-hmm.
F sub C, the fraction of civilizations that
Yeah.
develop a
I'm
technology
really trying to
that
follow
produces
this, and I just hear,
detectable
yup,
signs
yup.
of their existence.
Yep.
And L, the average length of time such civilizations
Time.
produce such signs in years.
Don't know what any of
Number
those.
4.
Can you pause a
Time is running
second?
out.
Yeah.
So the problem with that is they said that the planet needs to have
Oxygen.
basically the right environment for a species to live. But if there's other species, they might
They're-
need
yeah,
need
they're all-
different
They're on about
environment.
human. Yeah, they're on about like human, which is quite ignorant because, like you said, different species, which of course, like even plants are still species. They're still like
Yeah.
living things. And they
Yeah.
need different. They need different stuff.
Oh
so,
no,
yeah.
but like when the dinosaurs were about, yeah, the oxygen was 20% more or something like that. And that's why everything was bigger. Insects were even bigger. And
Interesting.
that's why humans couldn't survive because too much it. But the oxygen went down, so people came along. Unless you believe in the monkey system, but yeah.
monkey.
uh,
Monkey.
All right,
Alright, go.
Out.
Time is running out.
Some scientists theorize that distant celestial bodies only seem the way they look because we're actually
this music's
looking
getting
back in
intense.
time to see them. That means that celestial
Oh, yeah,
bodies
time
are moving
relativity or
faster
whatever.
in the past than they
Yeah.
are now because time is slowing down. Even if we don't know how much it's slowing down, we know that it might slow down to a stop if things are left as they are.
Really?
Number 3. Hitler's opening speech. Did you
What?
know that the
What?
first signal broadcast on Earth appears through Earth's atmosphere was
Go back. I
Hitler's
want to see this from the
opening
beginning. This is so
yeah,
random.
yeah.
What?
Even if we
Space.
don't know how much it's slowing down,
Space,
we
dude.
know
What
that
did
it
you
might
have?
slow down
What did
to
you
a
have?
stop if things are
What
left
did you
as
have?
they are. Number
Challenging the
3.
Emperor?
Hitler's opening speech. Did you know that the
Hitler's-
first signal broadcast strong enough to pierce through Earth's atmosphere was Hitler's opening speech
Oh,
at the
but they're joking.
1936 Olympics in Berlin? That means that should aliens find Earth, that's probably one of the first things they'll mention
That's
to us
so
when we
funny.
communicate with them. It's probably the first sound they heard from humans.
What?
Number 2.
must
The Fermi paradox. The Fermi paradox, named after Enrico Fermi, establishes
the first
that there's
thing
a
aliens here is
contradiction between
Hitler.
the lack of
At least he didn't
evidence
say
for
anything bad.
extraterrestrial civilization and various
Yeah,
high estimates
thankfully.
for their probability, such as the Drake equation that we just saw. Alien life has to simply exist in one form or another, but if that's the case, then where are the aliens?
Yeah, we're
The
too
Fermi
dumb for
paradox
it.
establishes that it's much harder for life to exist than we originally thought, or that more life has actually existed and been destroyed over time.
Maybe
And
just
number 1,
bone in the
the
worst
universe
time.
is a
Number 1.
computer simulation.
Okay.
If you
Yeah,
watch
this is a
The
huge
Matrix,
theory.
then
This is a
put your
huge theory.
tinfoil
This could
hats
actually
on,
be
because
true.
The universe might just
I don't
be like
believe
the
in
movie
this
depicts
whatsoever.
it.
We're
Why?
in the
The
Matrix.
simulation hypothesis, or simulation
kill yourself and
theory,
you'll find
is the
out.
proposal that all of reality, including the Earth and the rest of the
MC
universe,
squared.
could in fact be an artificial simulation, such as a computer simulation. Moderator Neil deGrasse Tyson, director of the museum's Hayden Planetarium, put the odds at 50-50 that our entire existence is a program on someone else's hard drive. He noted the gap between human and
Monkey.
chimpanzee intelligence,
Monkey
despite
goes
the
smoke.
fact that we share more than 98%
Where is the
of our
smoker?
DNA. Somewhere out there could be a being whose intelligence is that much greater than our own. The main argument for this theory is based on the universe's laws. As the more scientists learn about the universe, the more they realize that it's very similar to a computer simulation.
Damn.
If you enjoyed
Everything
this
is
video, don't
similar.
forget to subscribe
It's
and
so
leave us a
stupid.
like.
Maybe that's because of what a computer simulation is based on.
Yeah.
No, but that's how the world
I know.
works. It's like the plants have basically, if you really look into it in biology, they have basically the same systems as us, like veins and everything, where stuff goes through. That we have veins as well, where blood goes through, and that's how internet also works. There are literal veins with information coming through. Information is literally what those electric thingies in our brains are, which is it's just everything is connected. So that doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
What was your guys' favorite theory? Mine is definitely the
Hitler.
Hitler speech. Mine is
Hitler's-
definitely Hitler's speech. That was actually
no,
cool.
that's mad to think that Hitler might genuinely be the first thing aliens heard.
That's funny, man. That's really funny. But I don't know what his speech was during the Olympics. I'm pretty sure he wouldn't be that racist during the Olympics because, you know,
No.
it's the world thing.
Ow.
But when was it? The Olympics was 38, right? 1938?
Yes.
Like a year before World War II started? I don't know. I'm not sure. That's pretty
World War
funny.
II is so overrated.
Limo.
Oh crap, outro, innit?
Yeah, it's like, yo, this is your video. I'm not gonna carry it.
I was just listening. Alright. If you enjoyed this, yeah, watch this one right here. Yeah, because if you do, then you get money. So yeah. Bye.
It's just the